Machine learning, or ML, is an application of AI that gives systems the ability to learn and improve based on experience. The field of machine learning focuses on developing algorithms that allow computers to examine large data sets and then use the data to draw new conclusions that aren't part of the initial programming. The potential business benefits of machine learning are almost limitless. When you have algorithms that can teach themselves to draw new conclusions from data, you can make incredibly powerful predictions and forecasts that have the potential to improve every aspect of your business, from sales and marketing to production and shipping. Machine learning also has important applications in manufacturing and industrial IoT. Businesses can make maintenance proactive by monitoring the performance of individual devices and ordering maintenance as needed rather than based on an arbitrary schedule. ML algorithms can also help monitor quality and reduce waste throughout production, and they can use supply chain data to inform production planning and even adjust pricing automatically on a per-transaction basis. Machine learning can also improve customer service and satisfaction by predicting customer behavior and responding to common customer service requests with actions that are likely to resolve issues and improve customer satisfaction. At Stratus Innovations Group, we have years of experience applying complex math and programming concepts, including AI and machine learning algorithms, to solve real business problems. Contact Stratus Innovations Group today to find out how we can help your business become more profitable and efficient.